Yeah. And this is the elevator at the Apple store in Chicago. This is a Mitsubishi. I'm on the wrong, there we go. That motor is a lot louder than I remember it being.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's nice.
Look at the indicator up there, that's cool. I find it so interesting. That's the door cone, it's under the door. This has a custom cab by a Minnesota company called GNR Custom Cabs Inc. They've made some pretty famous cabs, including this. So it's cool to see it here. Door track's cool. Ripped lantern. Mad BS classic buttons. Hey, it's elevator A. You want it on 0?
Yeah, sure. Let's go down to 0.
God, that's loose.
Oh no, we're sinking.
There's what?
No, I'm just making a joke. Like we're sinking.
Oh. I like the indicator up there. This is my first like non-normal Mitsubishi Hydro I've ever ridden. That'll be it.